how to create a group chat on Facebook Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a group chat on Facebook Messenger. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Messenger app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, then you simply have to tap on the pencil icon, which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And here, once you tap on it on the new page, you simply have to select the group chat. Now here, once you have selected the group chat option, then you simply have to select the people which you want to include on the group. So here, simply select the people that you want to include, and here, once you're done including all the people that you want to add on this group, then you can simply tap on create, or you can simply give your group chat a name, and once you're done with it, you can simply tap on create button, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And once you do that, it will create a group chat for you where you can give or chat or send messages, emojis, gifts, stickers to the entire group. And that's it. That's how you can create a group chat on Facebook Messenger. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.